Hello friends, welcome again to Preschool Art from the Tamworth Regional Gallery. It's lovely to see you again, and it was so lovely to hear from you about the very hungry caterpillar exercise. You can see them all behind me, and lots of delicious food for the hungry caterpillar to eat. So I would like to thank Kirsten and Yo-Yo, and Alice and Momo, and Audrey and Rex, and lots of our other friends, Sophie and Harry. They all did a wonderful job making beautiful caterpillars, so I hope we can see some examples of your artwork today. You can ask Mum or Dad to send it in to us at the gallery. Today we're going to look at a book called Dream Little One Dream. It is a beautiful book that you can see on the library's Facebook page, with lovely Amy reading it out to everyone. What you'll need to do for today's exercise, you'll need to bring along an old magazine, a piece of paper, a few different coloured pieces of paper, some scissors, pen, and some glue. So the first thing we have to do is make some stars. I'm going to make a template and then use many pieces of the magazine so we make lots of stars in one go. So if you need to copy something you can, but I sometimes just have a few times and you get a good star and you cut it out. Throw the rubbish over there, and now look how many beautiful stars we have. And that's what we're going to make our art out of. So we'll pop these over for the side for a minute. Actually, we'll put them down on the page and sort of plan our picture. So depending what you've made, you might want to put them together like how your family's made up. We have 2 parents and 3 children and a nanny and a poppy. So I'm going to make them into little groups. So the first thing we do is we make some spaces around the stars. So again, we're going to get a piece of paper and we're going to draw a little template around it. And then fold it over so we get lots of stars without having to do lots of cutting. I've used tissue paper, but newspaper or anything like that. The colourfuller the better. So now we're going to place our little group things. They kind of look like little clouds. We're going to put one inside, one star on each one. Oh, that looks nice. And so we have 3 groups, don't we? We have Mum and Dad. We better overlap them because they're good friends. So we've placed our stars on our little clouds, but I think we need another colour to put a colour behind these groups to join them together. You kind of just have to guess this one. But you know what? You can't get art wrong. So however these come out, they'll be fine. Let's see how that went. So we'll put these ones here, Mum and Dad star, and we'll put this one here. Oh, it's starting to look like a real dream. So we've got our 3 groups of stars. So we're going to glue them down now. Now, the final thing we're going to do, let that dry. We're going to make our background all black. So we'll glue this down. And then we need a bit of glue on the inside bit. So now we have a black background for our stars to sit on, and we will put our picture together. And there we are. We have my dream last night of my starry family. I would love to see what your dreams look like. Remember, you can't get art wrong. It's however you want to make it.